Welcome to another episode of Jumpin in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today this is what's jumping in my pot. I'm going to do a dish that my granny used to make every New Year's Eve. Hoppin John. Hoppin John originally came from the low country of South Carolina. Now, before we get to the ingredients, I would like to explain something. Some people use black-eyed peas, but I am using cowpeas because I'm making it the way my granny used to make it, and she always used cowpeas. You can find cowpeas in any supermarket in the dry peas aisle of your supermarket. Let's get to the ingredients. Bay leaf, garlic, red and green peppers, green onions, celery, diced up smoked ham. You can use ham hocks, neck bone, or bacon. You would have to buy the thick cut bacon and cut it in cubes. This dish, you must make it with smoked meat. And all the people who don't like pork, they can use smoked turkey. Carolina gold rice, Cajun seasoning, black pepper, salt. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of canola oil. And as always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. I have a cast iron pot here, and I have the heat turned up on medium low, and I already put 2 tablespoons of oil in the pot. So now we're going to saute up the ham. We're going to cook this for about 2 minutes. Then we will add the vegetables in. Well, let's take a look. Yeah, the ham has sauteed up enough. Now it's time to add the rest of the ingredients. The garlic, the red and green bell peppers, the celery, the green onions, we let this saute up for about a minute. Now that the ham and vegetables have sauteed up together enough, now it's time to put the next ingredients in. It's chicken broth. I forgot to add it to the list of ingredients when I was telling you the list earlier. So we add the chicken broth. And now we add the cowpeas. I had it soaking here in this pot overnight, and I've already rinsed them. Now, the next ingredient is the Cajun seasoning. And the black pepper. Let's not forget the bay leaf. Let the bay leaf jump in the pot. Now we cover this up and we cook this for at least an hour or till the peas get nice and tender. Then we will add the rice. Now let's check and see if the peas is ready to add the rice to it. Yes, it is. Now we are going to wash the rice in cold water until we wash off all the starch. When the water starts running clearly, then you know the starch has been removed. Okay, the water has run clear now. So now I can add the rice to the pot. Okay, the rice is in with the peas. And after it comes to a boil, we're going to turn it to medium low and then cover it up and let it cook for another 20 to 30 minutes. Let's see how the Hoppin John is coming along. Look at the Hoppin John's jumping in the pot. Now, what we got to do now, it's bubbling up, is we turn it down to medium low and we cover it up and let it cook for about 20 to 30 minutes. Here you have it, Hoppin John's, the way my granny used to make it. Let me try it and see if this takes me back to my childhood. Mm, tastes so good, make you want to slap your mama. Very delicious. Mm, enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest. I would like to wish all my subscribers and viewers a happy and prosperous and healthy new year. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye. Happy New Year.